for gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are slightly in negative MACD, but approaching to positive territory. As we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD. As we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and appears to be approaching to positive MACD territory. We're also seeing the 9 moving average converge onto the 18 moving average, the blue and purple lines respectively. As with the trade idea, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $41.87. My sell target is at $47.21, and my stop loss is at $40.40. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $49.35. My sell target is at $43.47, and my stop loss is at $51.66. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day of week of trading, gold miners has a 43% chance to climb between 0 to 8.2%. To the downside, it has a 57% chance to fall between 0 to negative 8.2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.